bringing home a kitten. Here's how to give them the healthiest start in life. Kittens need more protein and calories than adult cats to fuel their rapid growth. Feed small, frequent meals. Their tiny stomachs need consistent nourishment. Look for high-quality wet food rich in animal protein and essential nutrients. Don't skip taurine. This vital amino acid supports heart, eye, and immune system health. Always provide fresh water and monitor your kitten's weight and energy levels. Want a healthy, happy cat from the start? Read the full blog post now on Karnama, link in bio. Subscribe for more essential kitten care tips.